Today we're featuring a 2016 Kia Soul, Summit White in color. It's got a little over 8,000 miles on it, still under factory warranty, clean Carfax, one owner. So go ahead and take a walk around of the vehicle for you. Everything looked really good on this vehicle, exterior wise. Didn't really see even a scratch on it. Once again, it is a 2016 with just a shade over 8,000 miles. So it's practically a new car for the used car price. And as we make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle, everything looks really good. No issues whatsoever. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside. Does have black cloth seats in really good shape. Does come with a keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks like it's in good condition as well. Still has that new car smell in it, like I mentioned before, only 8,000 miles. It is an automatic. Has your 12-volt power outlet, USB connection, auxiliary, radio. Your steering wheel also includes Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you, but go ahead and let you check out everything in the dash here. Let's see if it has XM radio or not. And it does come equipped with satellite radio capability, I should say. AM, FM. Go ahead and let you take a look at the mileage. It's got 8,066 miles on it. I did mention the Bluetooth and the steering wheel audio controls. A cruise control there. And your auxiliary USB connection and your power outlet. We've had the air conditioner running now for about 10 minutes. Everything's still blowing really, really cold. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Everything looks really good back here with the cloth. Practically brand new, like I mentioned before. Only 8,000 miles on this vehicle. You're basically getting a new car for the used car price here. Carpets down here look great. Doesn't even look like anybody's even sat back here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, kind of let you see the layout. Go ahead and take a look back here in the cargo area. As you can see, the carpet's in great shape. Good amount of space back here. If there's nobody sitting in the back seat, lift this tab up here, push the seat down. Lift this tab up here, push the seat down. Look how much that opens it up for you back here. Plenty of room for almost to take whatever you need back here. Everything's in great shape, carpet's in great shape. Plenty of space. Super easy to get them back up. Let me walk around the side of the vehicle for you here. You just grab the seat and lift. Everything locks back into place. Have the seat lift, and there you go. Go ahead and let you get one more look at the passenger seat here. Give you a different angle on it than the first angle, but as you can see, these seats are practically brand new. I mean, it doesn't look like anybody's even sat in here. 8,000 miles on this beauty. It's a 2016. Go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. It's got 16-inch alloys, but they're covered with these really cool chrome caps. I don't know if you can see that chrome on there or not. Really shiny, really nice. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them, as you can see. Alright guys, once again, this is a 2016 Kia Soul. It's got 8,066 miles on it, still under factory warranty. Great vehicle. Smells like a brand new car, looks like a brand new car, but it's got the used car price on it. Come down, check it out, come take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.